Yo, 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 what's up, goobers? It's your boy Zach here. You know, back with another goober video. We're gonna be swapping out the fuel sending unit today. Already loosened up some of the what is it, 5 screws there, and unhooked the one cable that goes to there. I'm not 100% sure if that cable is supposed to be there. It's a ground, so I'm going to maybe leave it there. I'm gonna go take a look at my mom's bug and see if she has one there. If not, I'm not gonna put it there, because it'll kind of clean up the area a little bit. So yeah, so loosen up the 5 screws, and then the next clip will be me taking it out. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so once you got all the 5 screws undone, you should now hopefully be able to just bloop. Okay, yeah, there's the gasket too. Don't forget the gasket. Make sure, kind of clean up the area around that too. So yeah, we are full. We are full. So the main reason why I was redoing this, well, not redoing it because I've never done it, because it wasn't reading anything. I'm hoping it was just this that was bad. Okay, don't worry. That was just a screw. Would have been kind of funny if it fell down in there. Not actually though, that would have sucked. But it was not reading anything. So it could only be 2 of 3 things here. It could be the fuel sending unit, or I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's on the back of the thing there. Hold on. But yeah, what I was saying, it could only be one of 2 things. The fuel sending unit, obviously, so I'm swapping that out first. Still does not work. We're going to swap out I think it's something like vibration or something like that. I'll get the name of it, and then in the next video, I'm thinking it's this because that looks disgusting. It's nasty looking. But I got a new one. I got it off of J-Bugs. Forgot how much it was, but I'll put the link to it in the description, of course. But yeah, let's hope this fixes the problem. And thanks for watching on how to change it out. The next clip will it's gonna be exactly what you did, but in reverse. I'll throw in some other clips of us installing it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe.